grow something. I'm Katie Kimball from kitchenstewardship.com, and I find it so fascinating, I'm such a science geek, that you can take something dry good that sits in your pantry for months and you can grow it and have fresh green food to eat in as a salad in case you don't have lettuce anymore. I love it. Growing lentil sprouts or other beans or whole grains is super easy. It's like 2 minutes a couple times a day, and I can't wait to show you. Grab your kids and do this like a science experiment in the kitchen. Down to here 3 days ago. These are so cool. The kids have had so much fun watching the roots come out, and I'll show you a close-up. You can even see the little tiny green leaves. That's when you know it's like really time to stop, and you'll stop the growth just by putting them in the fridge. So I'll take the tool off, put a regular lid on, stick them in the fridge, and then you can actually eat them raw. And they're just like, I don't know, they're a little sweet, a little starchy, a little crunchy. I'm not even sure how to describe them. Like a fresh vegetable, really. And it's probably healthiest if you take the seed coat off, because that's not really meant to be digested by humans. So they're good. And you can also cook them. They'll cook much faster than like regular lentils call for. Probably 10 minutes, they'll be done. Sprouted lentils, fresh food from your pantry. I'm Katie Kimball from kitchenstewardship.com.